Got a new giant of old here on the road to Red Lodge. Right here is the right eye, the left eye, the nose, and the mouth. And that whole part right there is the head of the giant. Very detailed new giant of old here in the sandstone. Maybe the part of the ridge that's in Billings, but this is on the highway that goes to Red Lodge. Yeah, very detailed. The eyes, the right eye, the left eye, and the nose, and the mouth. Very detailed. Well, that's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. New Giants of Old by Wehner. Wow, that's awesome.